everybody. Well, that was a good morning out at Lake Viking. This is an outro used as an intro, so I've already fished, but it was a fun morning. Got out there early, got off the water around 1. Pretty much buzzbait bite, did not stop the entire time I was out there, which was fun. Didn't catch any big fish, but I caught a lot of nice fish and a lot of good numbers. So enjoy.
Whoa. Yeah. Just right up there. First fish of the day. Nice. Absolutely hammered that. I wasn't even prepared. Jeez. Nice. That's crazy. First fish of the day. That's like my 10th cast maybe. On a buzzbait, and haven't been here since May 15th, but not a bad start. There we go. Sit down, sit down, sit down. Another nice one. Another buzzbait fish. Good little fish. There we go. I had thrown the buzzbait in there all over and wanted to follow up with the Ned rig, see if I could get another fish. Got one. There we go. Little guy. That thing's clever. I like that. Just when you're about to give up, comes in. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh my gosh. They want this thing today. That's awesome. A nice fish. Yes. Sweet. Oh my God. He got it when it hit the water. Jeez. That's awesome. I didn't even have to buzz it. So, oh yeah. There we go. Little guy. See you later. Ooh, in the waves. In the waves. That's funny. Whoa. Oh. It hit and I caught one again. Wow. Let's get the old netty. Old Ned. Got it. Ooh, that's not the same fish, I don't think. Well, it might be. We got him in though. Not yet. Here we go. There we go. Boy, little guys are getting this thing today, but it's fun. Okay. He wanted that thing. Jeez. There we go. Oh, God. Man. There we go again. Oh, God. Dang it. What the world? They got it 4 different times. Well, it's 12:18 and these dudes are still biting on a buzzbait. Pretty fun. There you go. Biggin. It's a big one. Whee. Come aboard. Bottom lip. Mm-hmm.